The Ministry of Health noted that the number of cases of residents infected with dengue hemorrhagic fever or DHV had reached 330 cases over 3 weeks in January 2022. Of the 100 of confirmed cases of dengue, 7 of them died.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rafa Aditya Reyfaza from SMA Negeri 3 Semarang. I would like to present my project with the title Potential of Syzygium polyanthum and Pepper betel leaf extract in reducing the incidence of dengue fever. Dengue hemorrhagic fever or DHV is a disease caused by the dengue virus belonging to the arthropod-borne virus, the Flavivirus genus and the Flaviridae family. DHV is transmitted through the bite of the mosquitoes from genus Aedes, especially Aedes aegypti. Dengue fever can appear through cold air and can affect all age groups. The emergence of this disease is related to the environmental conditions and community behavior. Dengue hemorrhagic fever or DHV is one of the infectious diseases that often cause outbreaks and cause death, especially in children. Dengue hemorrhagic fever or DHV is an infectious disease caused by the dengue virus, which is transmitted through the bite of the Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, characterized by sudden high fever and accompanied by bleeding manifestation and a tendency to cause shock and death. Based on the introductions, extract from betel leaf and bay leaf as a biolarvicide will be able to kill the larvae that have not yet become mosquitoes. Because betel leaves and bay leaf contain flavonoids that can function as a stomach poison that cause digestive system disorder, so the larvae fail to grow and die. In addition, my project is an environmentally friendly biolarvicide because previously larva killers were chemicals that could pollute the environment. This research makes me think about, first, how is the effectiveness of betel leaf and bay leaf extract on larva mortality? Second, how is the effectiveness of 10% ethanol extract with aqueous extract of betel leaf and bay leaf on larva mortality? Third, how is the effectiveness of a 10% ethanol extract of betel leaf and bay leaf solution on larva mortality? Fourth, how is the effectiveness of betel leaf and bay leaf aqueous extract with 10% ethanol solution on larva mortality? And last is how is the effectiveness between aqueous extract and 10% ethanol extract of betel leaf and bay leaf with aqueous solution on larva mortality? These research purposes are, first, knowing the effectiveness of betel leaf and bay leaf extract on larva mortality. Second, knowing the effectiveness of 10% ethanol extract with aqueous extract of betel leaf and bay leaf on larva mortality. Third, knowing the effectiveness of 10% ethanol extract of betel leaf and bay leaf in solution on larva mortality. Fourth, knowing the effectiveness of betel leaf and bay leaf aqueous extract with 10% ethanol solution on larva mortality. And last is to determine the effectiveness of aqueous extract of 10% ethanol extract of betel leaf and bay leaf with aqueous solution on larva mortality. This is my project materials. The tools we use are picker glass, dropper, glass stirrer, filter paper, funnel, and oven. The ingredients we use are betel leaf, bay leaf, 10% ethanol, abate, and aqueous. This type of research use is experimental observation, which is done by observing and conducting experiments on larvae. This is the work scheme I have made. First, wash the leaf. After that, dry it in the oven. Third is crush it until become a powder. After become a powder, maceration it with 10% ethanol and distilled water or aqueous. After we have the sample ready to tasting on the larva. This is the experimental observation. First, our sample preparation. Betel leaves and bay leaf are washed to remove the dirt, following by drying the leaf sample using an oven to dry. The dried leaf sample were ground using a blender until they become a powder. Second, our sample maceration using 10% ethanol. Betel leaf and bay leaf powder that has been obtained was macerated using 10% ethanol. The sample was put into a plastic container and then soaked in 10% ethanol for 24 hours. Third, our sample maceration using aqueous. Betel leaf powder and bay leaf that have been obtained are macerated using distilled water. The sample was put into a plastic container and then soaked in distilled water for 24 hours. The last step are testing on larvae. There are 8 treatments that we use to testing the larvae. Treatment sample A are betel leaf aqueous extract. Treatment B is 10% ethanol extract with betel leaf. Treatment C is bay leaf extract aqueous. Treatment D is extract 10% ethanol with bay leaf. Treatment E is mixture of betel leaf and bay leaf aqueous extract. Treatment F is mixture of 10% ethanol of bay leaf and betel leaves. Treatment G is ethanol at 10%. And treatment H is abate solution. This is my project result. A. Comparison of betel leaf extract with bay leaf on mosquito larva mortality. There is no significant debate between B and E. Treatment A and C only gave a slight difference. The effect of the solvent also important. B. Comparison of 10% ethanol extract with aqueous extract on mosquito larva mortality. 10% ethanol extract has a higher effective than aqueous extract. C. Comparison of 10% ethanol extract with 10% ethanol solution on mosquito larva mortality. The 10% ethanol extract of betel leaf B and bay leaf D and a mixture of extract F from the two leaf has a higher mortality effect than the 10% ethanol solution. D. Comparison of aqueous extract with 10% ethanol solution on mosquito larva. Treatment G has a high mortality effect compared to the A and C. However, the same effect of mortality larva was shown in treatment E at 40 minutes. E. Comparison of aqueous extract with 10% ethanol extract with ABD solution on mosquito larva mortality. 10% ethanol was more effective compared to the other ABD solution. Mixture of aqueous extract of betel leaf and bay leaf has an effect equivalent to ABD solution. Aqueous extract of betel leaf and aqueous extract of bay leaf had a less rapid effect on the larva mortality rate of larva when compared to the ABD solution. Let's go to our conclusion. A. The comparison of betel leaf and bay leaf extract on the larva mortality effect of a mosquito larva did not have a significant difference. This was because the solvent also had an effect on the level of extraction on the same compound in the sample. B. 10% ethanol extract of betel leaf and bay leaf has a higher mortality effect when we compare to aqueous extract. It is proven by the result of treatment B, D, and F, which are more effective than treatment A, C, and E. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. See you next time. Bye bye.